Ever pondered over how a gas turbine engine, the heart of many modern jets, generates its immense power? Well, wonder no more, as today we unravel the mysteries of this marvel of engineering. Imagine a balloon full of air. Now, if you release the opening, the air rushes out, propelling the balloon forward. This principle, known as Newton's third law of motion, lies at the heart of how a gas turbine engine works. Step one in this process involves drawing air into the engine. The engine accomplishes this through an inlet located at the front. The air that rushes in meets a part known as the compressor. The compressor, as its name implies, compresses the incoming air, increasing its pressure significantly. Now we move on to the second step. Here, the high-pressure air enters a combustion chamber. Within this chamber, the air mixes with fuel and ignites, causing a powerful explosion. The explosion generates an incredible amount of heat, causing the gases within the chamber to expand rapidly. This brings us to the third step, harnessing the power of these rapidly expanding gases. As the gases rush out of the combustion chamber, they pass through a turbine. The force of these gases spins the turbine, which is connected to the compressor at the front of the engine. This spinning action keeps the compressor running, allowing the engine to continue drawing in air. The final step involves the gases exiting the engine. As they rush out, they push against the air outside the engine, creating a force that propels the engine and the aircraft it's attached to forward. So, to recap, air enters the engine, gets compressed, mixes with fuel and ignites, then rushes past a turbine, keeping the engine running before finally exiting the engine, providing the thrust necessary for flight. Gas turbine engines, with their high power output and reliability, have revolutionized the world of aviation. They operate on a simple principle: for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. By harnessing the power of exploding gases, they generate the thrust required to lift an aircraft off the ground and keep it soaring through the skies. The key points to remember about gas turbine engines are their four-step operation: intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust. These steps, working in unison, allow these engines to generate the immense power required to propel modern aircraft. So, the next time you're jet-setting across the globe, spare a thought for the remarkable piece of engineering that's making your journey possible. The gas turbine engine, a testament to human ingenuity and the power of science.